Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC. Whether the game refuses to start, gets stuck loading, or doesn't open at all, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can get back into the action without frustration. First, open your Windows search and type Microsoft Store. Once it appears, right-click on it and click App Settings. Scroll down until you see the options for Terminate, Repair, and Reset. Start by clicking Terminate, then click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Make sure you give it a moment to complete, then try launching Black Ops 6 again to see if it works. Next, if the game still isn't launching, go back to the same app settings page and click Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for it to finish. This refreshes the Microsoft Store completely and often fixes launch issues tied to corrupted app data. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip: your system date and time must be correct. Open search again and type date and time settings. Once you're there, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on and your time zone is correct. Scroll down and click Sync to refresh the system clock. This step is very important for Microsoft Store and Xbox app verification. Once that's done, open the Microsoft Store, sign out of your account, then sign back in. This refreshes your account connection and can resolve licensing issues that prevent games from launching. After that, open search again and type WSReset, then click on it. Let the Microsoft Store reset automatically and wait for it to reopen on its own. This clears cached data that can block game launches. As a final step, open search and type Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store Apps. Open it, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions until the troubleshooter finishes. Once everything is complete, restart your computer to apply all changes properly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might be stuck on the same issue. Why not make their gaming experience a little smoother?